Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a Gimp tutorial on how to create a new project. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do, so let's say I got this project open. You'd actually just go to File, press Create, or go to New. I choose the format that I want to be in, or well, the how many pixels I want to be in it. So I'll do 2560 by 1400 for me. Then I press OK. This is, I believe, the YouTube like thumbnail one. And then I'll have a new one right here, and I can cut out the background that they automatically give me, and now I have a blank space to create a new canvas. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Cool thing about Gimp is I can go over to that last picture that I worked on. Super easy, just like that, easy peasy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.